Welcome to the channel. Log x over y minus z, that is equal to log y over z minus x, that is equal to log z over x minus y. Then find the value of x raised to the power of y plus z times y raised to the power of z plus x times z raised to the power of x plus y. So we are going to crack the code of a seemingly impossible equation like this. Not only that, I am also going to show you a clever trick to memorize log values from 11 to 20. Let's start to solve this equation. Here all the expressions are equal. That means it must be equal to some common value. Let's call it as k. Then this equation turns into log x equal to k times y minus z, log y equal to k times z minus x, log z equal to k times x minus y. If you add all these three equations, then you will get log x plus log y plus log z, that is equal to, in the three terms we have k as a common. So k, take it as common, then you are left with y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y. Here plus y, minus z plus z minus x plus y plus x all gets cancelled. So right hand side it becomes 0. The left hand side we can write it as log x y z. So instead of 0 we can write it as log 1. Log 1 value is 0. And take anti-log on both sides, then you will get x y z equal to 1. Consider this as equation 1. Now here multiple x on both sides, then you will get this left hand side x log x, it is in the form of m log a. So we can write this as log a power m. So the left hand side it becomes log x power x, that is equal to k xy minus xz. Similarly, if you multiply both sides by y, here you will get log y raised to the power of y, that is equal to k times yz minus xy. Similarly, the last one, if you multiply both sides by z, then you will get log z power z, that is equal to k times xz minus yz. If you add all these terms, then you will get this left hand side it become log x power x plus log y power y plus log z power z. Using one of the log property, we can write this as log of x power x, y power y, z power z, that is equal to k times xy minus xz plus yz minus xy plus xz minus yz. Here all are gets cancelled, then 0. So this 0 we can write it as log 1. Take anti-log on both sides, then you will get x power x times y power y times z power z, that is equal to 1. Consider this as equation 2. Now we have x, y, z equal to 1 and x raised to the power of x, y raised to the power of y, z raised to the power of z equal to 1. So let's take x, y, z equal to 1. If we take x equal to 2, y equal to 2, z equal to 1 by 4. If you multiply these three terms, 2 times 1 by 4, after cancelling all you will get 1 only. So these values satisfied our given equation. So let's take 1 raised to the power of x plus y plus z. So that is equal to 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 by 4. After simplifying, then you will get this is 4 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 17 by 4. So this become 1 raised to the power of 17 by 4. Whatever you have in the power, it gives the result 1 only. So instead of 1, we can write it as 1 raised to the power of x plus y plus z. In the second equation, instead of 1, we are going to write 1 raised to the power of x plus y plus z. Now instead of 1, I am going to write x, y, z. I am going to take x, y, z raised to the power of x plus y plus z. Take log on both sides, then this equation becomes log x raised to the power of x plus log y raised to the power of y plus log z raised to the power of z, that is equal to x plus y plus z times log x y z, isn't it? So the left hand side turns into x log x plus y log y plus z log z, that is equal to x plus y plus z. This log x y z we can write it as log x log y plus log z. X log x plus y plus z log x. From here y log y plus x plus z log y plus z log z plus x plus y log z. Rearrange the terms to group the common factors. Notice that x log x cancels out, y log y cancels out, z log x cancels out. So left hand side you become 0, that is equal to right hand side you become y plus z log x plus z plus x log y plus x plus y log z. So the left hand side instead of 0 we can write it as log 1. Log 1 equal to this, each and every term it is in the form of m log a. We can write this as log a power m. So then become log x raised to the power of y plus z plus log y raised to the power of z plus x plus log z raised to the power of x plus y. So log x raised to the power of y plus z, y raised to the power of z plus x, then z raised to the power of x plus y. Take antilogs on both sides, then you will get x raised to the power of y plus z, y raised to the power of z plus x, z raised to the power of x plus y, that is equal to 1. So this is the final result. One of my previous video I shared a handy trick how to remember log values from 1 to 10. If you have not seen it, be sure to check it out in the link below. We are taking to the next level by exploring how to effortlessly recall log values from 11 to 20. Are you ready to unlock this trick? Let's get started. Start with the log 20, and this log 20 we can write it as 2 times 10. It is in the form of log AB. 2 times 10 we can write it as log 2 plus log 10. And we know that log 2 value is 0.3010 and log 10 value is 1. So after adding we will get 1.3010, that is a log 20 value. From here, if you subtract 0.023, it gives the value of log 19, which is 1.278. Again, subtracting 0.023 from 1.278, it gives the value of log 18, which is 1.255. Here, subtracting 0.025 from 1.255, it gives the value of log 17, which is 1.230. After subtracting 0.025, it gives the value of log 16, which is 1.205. After subtracting 0.03 from 1.205, it gives the value of log 15, which is 1.175. After subtracting 0.025, it gives the value of log 14, which is 1.150. Subtracting 0.03 from 1.150, it gives the value of log 13, which is 1.12. Subtracting 0.04 from 1.12, it gives the value of log 12, which is 1.08. Subtracting 0.04 from 1.08, it gives the value of log 11, which is 1.04. First 2 times you have to subtract 0.023, again 2 times you have to subtract 0.025, and then subtract 0.03 then repeat 0.025, then again 0.03 and last 0.04. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and leave your comments below. If you want to more math tricks and tips, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.